All right. Welcome to our life in the Philippines. And after that little flamenco introduction, I love flamenco music, guitar music. But anyway, after that, I'm gonna take you for a little ride. Today, I just dropped off my beloved wife. Her parents are moving in here in this community, Barangay Tabun, and this is the specifically the Fiesta community, just north of Mabalacat City Hall, and just south of the Tarlac provincial border. And that's where we're heading today. I'm going to head that way, go up into Bamban, and take a little, country road back home instead of going straight south of MacArthur. I'm going to head up this way. It's a little longer, but it's a nice ride, and I figured I'd put the camera on. And I just I have some what do you call it, dim lights on the front, and I lost a bolt, and one of my lights came down. So I'm gonna have to stop here, try to fix that, and so at least we can save that light. All right, I got that done. I actually cut the electrical cord and stuck the light in the box. Gotta go and find me some bolts and nuts and whatnot to get that fixed. So, all right. So this is the still MacArthur Highway, but way north of Mabalacat, going up towards Bamban, and momentarily here we're coming up on the Bamban Bridge that you can actually see right there ahead of us. That is also the Pampanga Tarlac provincial border line. So it goes right here in the bridge, the river. I just, I just like to. Today is a beautiful day. It's a little cloudy, but not really bad. No threats of rain for sure, which we have had plenty of the last few weeks. So I felt like the rain season came a little early. Anyway, here's Bamban, and if you go down there to the right, you get through the little community down there, a few kilometers down. But we are going to take this little right here, and this is the road that actually takes us over into I would say the northern part of Clark, the free zone. Straight ahead of us, you see the stairs going up there. There is like a statue of Virgin Mary, I would say, and she is called the Lady of Lourdes, I think it is. And we have done a couple of videos up there, so if you want to check it out. Boy, this guy is on my side. That's funny. I guess there was a car he had to pass, and he thought I should move, I guess. But I like this road. This is a very, very to some degree, if you look ahead there, you see the mountains back up there is Pinatubo somewhere, and it's like a little different ride actually, and not too much traffic. It is. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Down here, a little further down, you also have some other activities, some gardens and some other things, and then obviously down this road. I wonder what this road here, they're building a new road here. I wonder what that is. I'll check it out another day, but it might take you up to the bridge there, bypassing the village, whatever. So anyway, you coming down there a little bit, you have the Goshen Resort, and you also have some other landmarks. Can't really remember what they are, but there's like a park up there in the mountains, and let's see if I can get those things to come to my memory. It looks like they're doing a little bit of work here. They could do a little work on the road. By the way, here, right here to the right, is the entrance into Goshen. So let's try to get by these guys here. All right, we're getting stuck. I think he's gonna let that truck out, and we can continue our little ride up this way. All right, so let's go. A lot of stuff up here. Also, it's a farm community. You can see a lot of farming going on, corn, rice, and other things, and looks like a lot of banana trees and other things are out in the countryside. So the other thing I was talking about, I think it's called the Bella Montana is the word I'm looking for. Bella Montana Farm, which is also a place we visited a few months back, I think like 6, 7, 8 months. When it was a little bit more open, they opened up, and Bella Montana it's just like on top of the hill, so you have some beautiful views. If you look through my videos, you'll find one there, and I can actually, I'll stick it in the information so you can see the video. All right, so let's push right through right here. They're driving very carefully, these guys, and man, it feels good to be out though. Some fresh air. You know, it's like I told my wife, you know, going through this pandemic, you sit inside, you don't get the essential sunlight or anything, and at some point it actually makes you sick, and I notice sometimes you get, I wouldn't say depressed, but you get up and want to go to bed until this is over, and hopefully this will be over here soon, one way or the other. It's gonna have to get fixed. I can't see unless they wanna kill us all. I can't see how they can continue doing this, because people need to go back to work, people need to make money, people need to have food money, and that's going to be essential to put that back. And it's not just Philippines, it's all over. But you guys we've talked about this much, and we can talk about it over and over and over and over. The essential thing is that we all are aware of our surroundings and what's going on, and what they are trying to do, and prepare ourselves the best we can. This road is pretty decent, to be honest with you. All right, so I think it is here, yeah, to the right. This little road here going up there is the road that takes you up to Bella Montana farm, and you have like beautiful views up there. So check out the video. And then you're coming down here to it's like a little crossroad. Don't know where this road goes there, but if this one here is taking us way back into and across Sacobia River, climbing over a small little hill, and on the other side you have Clark, the free zone. The road has been taking a little beating here for some reason. Big potholes. So it's a little climb up here. I like the motorcycle though, even though I changed the gear on it, so I added two more what do you call them, gears on the sprocket. Went from a 34 or 36 to a 38. Gives me I lost a little top speed, but I'm not really looking for that. But it gives me a lot of torque. I rarely or barely ever have to even try to shift going uphill, even when I'm traveling with my wife. So it has been a good bike. It is up for sale though. If any foreigner lives around here and want to buy it, has 20,000 kilometers on it, and I have not had one bit of a problem with it. and it's a fully electronic start, so there's no kickstart. That could be a drawback. I have changed the battery once on it, and that was about all I've done to it, except taking it in, having it serviced, and around 15,000. I changed the sprocket and chain and all that. It started making a little bit of noise, not much, but I decided to just go ahead and have it changed. All right, so we are crossing over. Sacobia River, and on the other side of that you have the gate. You on the other side, if you make a left, I think you can get up on the expressway, and here you make a right, takes you right into the Clark area. I was going to stop and take some photographs up here, but I just didn't bring my camera that I want to do. Granted, you can use the GoPro, but we'll do it another time. All right, so I am coming up on this here. I hope everybody has a nice weekend, and come and see us every Wednesday, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Thursday morning here in the Philippines. Just come and see us, join us on our live program, ask your questions. We try to give you the answers, and we go from there. You guys have a great weekend. Bye bye for now.